Well, ho, ladies and gentlemen, it's Miss Houston here with some more products that are my favorite. So please excuse my fuzzy hair. I ain't done my ears yet. I just got through cleaning my face. And I noticed before I started doing my makeup, I need to get rid of this film, this invisible show up when I put my lipstick on type of film. So I was like, it would be the product time to introduce you all from my before. Don't judge me. And after, using my 2 vitamin C lip scrub and overnight mask. Let's see how it go, people. Stay tuned. Woo-hoo. Okay, we kicking it off with the vitamin C smoothing lip scrub. It says to use, massage a small amount onto clean lips and remove with a damp washcloth. Bitch, my lips are clean. I just got through brushing my veneers. No, I'm playing. Make my little teeth. I just got through brushing my teeth. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I've already kind of been using mine. I just use a little bit because it says a small amount. And I apply it. I scrub. Top and bottom. Rub it real good. Satin lips. It's what me and my husband joke about. Oh, you guys can see it that I got stuff falling. Dull be gone. Rejuvenate. Now it's time to wash it with a washcloth. A damp, warm washcloth. It's not soaking wet, damp. Yes, I wring it out. Ring. Let's see here. See on my lips, sugar scrub. Oh, I probably look crazy, but it's alright. It's for the gram, not playing. It's for the tube. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Check me out. New lips. Oh, new lips have been rejuvenated. Okay. Let's use our vitamin C overnight lip mask. Now, I know it's not nighttime and I'm getting ready to go out for the day, but I love to put it on my lips before applying any kind of lipsticks or masks or anything because it replenishes everything that we just took off. All that dullness, it's kind of replenish those lips, baby. So to use, apply generously to lips in the evening and leave on overnight. Let's see. I've already been using mine. See, I don't be using that much, especially with my nails. But here we go. Oh, shoot. Maybe that's too much. It's the lip gloss you never knew you needed. There we go, y'all. You seen it. And the finished results. Don't mind me all out of portion. All that's gonna simmer down as I talk throughout the day and sip on my coffee. But I don't even need no lip gloss or no lipstick, but it's a special day today. So thank you all for watching. This has been my product review on our lip scrub and overnight mask. Hope you like. Take care. Oh, and shop online 24/7 at youravon.com/Miss.MrsHouston HOUSTON. Take care. Check me out with the soft matte liquid lip.